I say bathroom. Not sure. Moderator, I need to go to the bathroom. It's door right here. Zooming a little bit. And guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Be right back in 1 minute. Then my sister will do the next. Okay, let's go.
Hey, my princess. Your door is here. Right part. Yes. And hello, I have and Mia. Commissioner. Right side, Jess. Jess is go to the loop. She will come back soon. Wow. It's pretty, right? Yes. Wow. Okay, fade. Let's tap the screen. Wow. I'm Jess' sister. This is Dora speaking. Welcome. One more. Where are you? Didn't find. Okay. Yes, vintage style. It's pretty. Hello, Ria. Yes, go. Screen. Kiss, kiss. One more. Yes. Ready. Go. To the left. Wow. Who's back?
You're so precise. Now let's keep going. I'm back, guys. Yes, I'm back. Miss me right now. Is it bad? Oh my god, I do love the design of the bat. It's really cool. Hi, A. Nice to see you. I do love this very much. How to join your board? Guys, do you know how to join my board? Just let our new friends know. Thank you. Love this doorway. Mm. Oh, angel statue. Oh my god. I need one. By the angel or just on the ground? Do you think this cat? My reference at the cat should be on the ground now. On the statue right now. Okay. I'm thinking this. I like this. That's what my cat does at home every day. You love watching this, thank you. Put a cat on the couch. So many ways to go, guys. Carpet? Okay. Looks lovely. Should I zoom in? If it's unclear for you, just let me know, guys. Should I?